favorite solar character, Venus. The Earth. Oh, Mars. Give me Uranus. Give me Neptune. Uranus. Neptune!
Maling pinya eh.
I'm obsessed with Neptune. I'm just going to do this until the video's done.
Oh, play maaye, dura mo.
Wala nga eh.
Tulo. Ang lambot na yung play mo. Pinatamad ka lang. Kasi, nagsisilpon ka.
I love Neptune now. Okay, what first? Callisto. I don't like you. Venus. Probably would be my 5th. Luna. 2. The Earth. It would be 4th. Jupiter. Why no? Oh. Ganymede. Can I? Watch your game. Og number 8. Why you not giving number 8? Okay, I'll give it a number. Okay, and again. Venus 10th. He's a rude. On Mars 9th. He's so small. Jupiter na pass. Callisto na pass, bro. Pass. I'm going to break. Ask something. What is your favorite planet, John? If you don't like any, I'm going to punch you in the face. Hindi
ka nanood doon eh. Kasi, gabi pa lang.
Third, Eduardo, Tom, Matt,